Want to change the dimensions of your image? Here's how to resize it in Befunky. First, open the image you want to resize in the Befunky editor. Select the Resize tool from the left-hand toolbar. In the pop-up menu, you can adjust the width and height of the image. You can either enter custom dimensions or use the presets for common sizes like Instagram posts, Facebook covers, or YouTube thumbnails. Once you have set the desired size, hit apply. Make sure to maintain the aspect ratio if you don't want your image to look stretched or squeezed. What size do you usually resize your images to? Let me know in the comments. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.